Hi everyone, Tom Schin here again from Alaant Workforce Solutions. Do you ever run into scenarios where you have recruiters who do a good job, but you just want to get them some help with their processes? This is something we hear from employers, but they aren't sure where to turn to for help. We understand. That's why Alaant offers recruitment consulting services. Our experts can build a plan for your talent acquisition from the ground up, or help strengthen your existing operation. Here's how it works. We start by reviewing your hiring processes and goals. We evaluate how your time and resources are being allocated, and we make suggestions on where to direct those resources to make the most impact. This affects several layers, such as triaging the tools and technology that you're using and making recommendations to simplify them, or having us refine and improve your candidate experience. We also work to help ensure that everyone involved knows their part in the hiring process. These are all elements which can help keep things on track for a smooth and timely hire. As efficiencies improve, we can help to accelerate your time to hire so you can land the top candidates quickly. We know every situation is unique, so we tailor solutions to your individual situation. Bottom line, our team can help your company ramp recruiting while saving time and money. Tell me how that's not a great deal. Want to talk more about Alaant's recruitment consulting services? Call me directly at 518-441-9479. Visit us online at alaant.com or post a comment or question below. Love to talk to you soon. Let's set up a time to chat.